Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going through all of the hair products that I purchased from the beauty supply store, and I also went to Walmart. Just a quick disclaimer before we begin, I did a lot of research before I purchased these products, and that's what you want to do before you purchase anything that is gonna run your pockets. Just a little bit. I spent over $100 on these products, and that's because I did my research, okay? So just remember that, okay? These products are for people with high porosity hair, which I figured out. Y'all can view that in my previous video. I'm talking too fast, like I need to calm down. Okay, so my last disclaimer, I've actually used majority of these products, so I have a little bit of some feedback on them. The first product that I have is just a restock. It's the Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner, and I love this deep conditioner so much. Like, it hydrates my hair to the T. Like, even though, hear me out, it does have silicones in it, guys. But no, if you have high porosity hair and you've never tried this before, I recommend you try it and then comment down below how you feel about it, because this keeps her hydrated. It's $5, and I feel like this is a steal, especially because it's in a big like container, so, and it has a pump, which I love. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased was the Apogee Curlific Texture Treatment, and this one smells so good. I've already used it. It's a protein treatment, which my hair was longing for. If you watched my previous videos, I haven't done one in a hot minute, and my hair thanked me. I used this about a week ago, and while I was using it, I was extremely heavy-handed, so like it's almost done, but my hair loved it. I kept it in for about 5 minutes and just showered while it was in, and this is what it looks like. It smells so good. It's super thick, as you guys can see. Super thick. It hydrates and it's strengthening at the same time. This one says it's pH optimized for maximum results, which is a great like, what, plus? Yeah, it's a great plus. And it improves elasticity, repairs damaged curls, coils, and waves. I have coils. You may have waves. You may have curls. I have coils. So, you know, it helps us all out. This one, I believe, was pretty cheap as well. It was 10 bucks at the beauty supply store. So you guys should go over there and get it if you need a protein treatment. You want to rinse with cool water with this one, guys. Lock in everything. The next thing that I purchased was the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. This one has certified organic blueberry extract, and guys, it does, because it smells like blueberries. Like, it smells so good, and the smell stays in your hair and lasts for like a good week, I would want to say. And it also has chamomile extract and coconut oil and high porosity hair, guys. High porosity hair loves coconut oil. Coconut oil has fatty acids and protein, and my hair loves it. As you guys can see, I used about half of it, so I've used this twice and it's like almost done. This one doesn't have a thick consistency, but regardless, it still hydrates and it detangles well. This one was a little bit more expensive, but I believe it's worth it. It's $16 for this one. We're gonna get into all the creams and the stylers that I purchased and gels. So the first item that we have in that category is Extreme Professional Styling Gel, and this one is pretty cheap as well. I've watched a couple YouTubers and hair gurus who have used this and liked it, so I was like, let me just see how it works in my hair. I haven't used it yet. Well, it was $3.50, call it $4, I guess. I will be doing a video while I use this one to do a wash and go for the first time, so you guys stay tuned for that, because guys, I have not done a wash and go ever on my hair, and it's just because it's never worked out. So we're gonna call it me never doing it because it never worked out. Yeah, so this better work. And even if it doesn't work, it's okay, because it was only $3.50.
But I really need you to work though, like, please, because
I really want to do wash and go. Like, I feel like my hair, like, I can do it, but it's just like the products aren't working, so this better work. Oh, this also, I did not mention, it has aloe vera. It doesn't have any alcohols in it. It has a fresh smell and no residues, so hopefully it actually comes through and doesn't leave any residues and doesn't dry my hair out, and it just has a really fresh scent to it. And the next item I've actually already tried. It's the Main Choice Biotin Infused Styling Gel, timeless length and lasting retention. So yes, it's infused with biotin, avocado oil, and vitamin E, and this is what it looks like. I got this from the beauty supply store. This one was $13.50, basically $14. And this one is really like a slimy consistency, a little bit sticky if you put too much, from my own experience, and it actually left a lot of flakes in my hair, and I'm not sure if that was an error on my part, but this is the consistency of it. Very like slimy in my opinion. I don't know what else you would call this. It smells good, but in terms of like the flakes and stuff it left, I'm not sure why. It might have been what I mixed it with, and I mixed it with this blueberry leave-in conditioner and it did not work well. So if you plan on trying to use these together, please don't. You're gonna hate it, because I did. And I had to wash my hair out like several times because I kept trying to see why it wasn't working, but it wasn't clicking to me as usual. But I'm gonna give this one another try again to see how it works, and I won't use it with that leave-in conditioner because now it looks so bad. But I'm not bashing this product. I want to say that I might need to just do a clarifying shampoo before I use it, and maybe use a different leave-in, or maybe not use a leave-in, who knows. But I really do want to give it another chance because I love the definition. I saw it on other people, so I want to see, like, it gave me that definition, but when it dried it just left a lot of flakes. So yeah, I just want to try it again, but I don't know, I'll try it again, maybe make you guys see how it works. The next item that I got was this Curl Defining Cream by Eden Body Works, and it has medium hold. It has coconut and shea butter in it, and it also does not have any sulfates, parabens, silicones, or mineral oils like petroleum, and it doesn't have any dyes, and it's also cruelty free. That was like a mouthful, but this is what it looks like, and I got this one from Walmart. It was a little bit on the expensive side, but I believe it's worth it because I use this one in my hair as well. This one cost me $14, so a little bit expensive, but there's a lot in it, and it's a very thick consistency, so a lot goes a long way. This is what it looks like. Excuse the little hair, but I believe a lot goes a long way. I'll be purchasing this again because I used it to do my twist here, and I'm excited to see what definition it brought. It's extremely moisturizing as well, and water is the first ingredient on this one, so that's a plus. The next hydrating cream that I got was from Pro V Gold Series, and it literally says hydrating buttercream infused with argan oil, softens hair and tames frizz, sulfate free, and 72-hour moisture. So it looks like this. Smells really good, guys, and you can also use it on relaxed hair, and it does say 72-hour moisture. I really do think it holds up that end because I used this also in my hair, and my hair was very moisturized and smelled so good after, and I didn't have to put anything in my hair for a couple of days before it started like getting dry again. So yeah, there's this one I got from Walmart, and it cost me $8, so this one was super cheap, and there's a lot, and it's a squeeze bottle, which I like. So okay, ooh, my back hurts. Okay, the last two products that I purchased were oils. So I've talked about this on my channel already. The Blue Magic Originals 100% castor oil, and also has aloe vera and shea butter in it. High porosity hair loves this stuff, okay? If you haven't tried it, I really recommend you try it, although it does have mineral oil in it. Don't use it on your scalp if your scalp is sensitive to mineral oils, and just use it on your hair itself to seal in your leave-in conditioners or seal in your creams. This one was $5, and there's a lot to go around. Like, you don't need to use a lot of this in your hair, and excuse the hair in this oil thingy, but this is what it looks like. Very thick consistency. You don't need to use a lot, and yeah, very moisturizing, especially in the winter time. So the last oil that I purchased was organic jojoba oil. It's also mixed with a couple more oils, essential oils, I like to add. The essential oils that are in this are orange sweet, rosemary, tea tree, and sage oil. A lot goes a long way with this as well. I like that it's a pump, very convenient, and doesn't get messy. It says that it restores moisture and shine to dry, dull hair. Using jojoba oil brings back the natural beauty and shine of your hair, and is the best oil for split ends, dry, itchy scalp, and protects against future damage from blow drying and heat. The rich blend of these oils helps to revitalize dry and over-processed hair. And I got this one from the beauty supply store as well. Oh, this one's actually pretty cheap. This one was $9. The last three things that I purchased aren't really hair products, but they're styling tools. So I purchased this detangling brush from Braid, and I got this from the beauty supply store. This one was $9 as well, so I like that it has like these, like, it's not like one brush, so it doesn't like rip through your hair. It's helpful for detangling in the shower, and I have yet to use it in the shower. I just wanted to buy it because I wanted to buy it. The next thing that I purchased was this applicator bottle, which I think I'm gonna try to become a DIY natural, guys. I'm not there yet, but I want to try doing some hot oil treatments, so I'm gonna you know, put my concoction of oils in here and try to do a hot oil treatment at least once a month, and then slowly try to do like twice a month. I just purchased this. This one was about $2, super cheap and worth it. The last item was this spray bottle. This spray bottle doesn't require you to keep like pressing it. It's just like a long spritz, like watch. Which I just love it, like, yes. It's just, I don't know, I just like it. And this one was a little bit expensive, but you know, it's okay. This one was like $14. Can I tell you guys, they had a smaller one of these for the same price, $14. $14 for the small one and $14 for the big one. Which one do you think I'm getting? Which one do you think I'm getting, sir? Like, I don't even know who put that price point. I should have asked, but I was like, no, I might as well just get the big one. So yeah, I got it. I've been wanting one, so I've been wanting both of these like forever, and I finally got them. So I was like, you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, or you know, got some insight or what products would be good for your hair type if you have similar one to mine. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below your questions or like any video suggestions you have for me. Like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.